Yeah, yeah. Hello, hello. Ayan na, yun na nga. Di ganito na nga lang. Uh, hey guys, it's me, Naljin. Good morning, magandang umaga. And ayun, dito ako ngayon. And thank you. What a beautiful morning today. Today is November, no, not November. December, December 25. I don't know, December 26. Medyo tagal ko na hindi ko na nagawa yung ganitong vlog or ganitong documentary for myself and also sa sa mangyayari for the next coming years. Quick updates lang. And again, my name is Naljin. Good morning, good morning. Today is December 26, 2025. Tapos na yung Pasko dito sa Pilipinas. So, ayun. And nandito ako ngayon. Meron akong 5 hours of sleep. And sobrang pagod ako kahapon. And also, like parang, I've been doing this, going to vlog this or to document this for my future self. At the same time, nagiging habit ko na siya. And I'm really proud to say that I'm really proud of what I've achieved right now or for before the year ends. Ang dami ko nagawang mistakes, lessons, experiences na na-experience ko. At the same time na parang nagiging habit ko na siya na parang to really know who I am as a person. And I'm doing this vlog or for me to have a sense of revelation or sense of reflection lang. And di pa ako nakakapag-write down notes. Parang, when I do these videos, ina-adlib ko lang talaga. Adlib, kumbaga. And I'm really happy that I've been doing this for almost 1 year na. And nasa akin lang, parang meron akong sarili kong YouTube channel na sobrang saya ko lang na parang ganyan. Pero I think like there were days, may mga times na malungkot ako. There were times na nandun ako sa kwarto ko lang na mag-isa, nagjajakol, or kaya parang nagko-computer games na lang, naghahanap ako ng mga crack games na kaya ng computer ko. But still, like parang, di naman everyday kailangan ko to gawin. It's just that, nasa mood ko lang. But here's the thing, like parang, nagiging habit ko na siya na parang or kaya parang eventful habit kumbaga like parang spontaneous habit na ginagawa ko to bilang sa person or kaya being me as Naljin San Jose na nagiging masaya ako sa mga progress ko as a person. But then again, like parang nagiging life has parang yung buhay talaga natin kailangan mag-move forward. Hindi lang talaga mag-stick sa past and all and shit. And nagiging hinder siya sa akin na sa self-improvement ko, kumbaga, parang I can do more. I can be more. I can do this, I can do that. Pero then again, I have this principle in my life that na parang you can do everything. You can do anything, but you can't do everything. Kaya mong gawin lahat. Kaya mong gawin isang bagay, pero hindi mo kayang gawin lahat. I hope that makes sense na nandito ako ngayon na parang ginagawa ko to. At the same time, more changes to come sa ganito kong content or sa ganito kong reflection na I've been consistent dun sa Instagram ko, sa main account ko na, ayun, personal account ko na I've been posting reels not consistently pero nandun na rin naman na parang nandun na ako sa point na kailangan ko to gawin pero at the same time nasan yung structure na nasan yung structure na nasan ganitong disiplina. Kumbaga like I've been consuming a lot of mental health and shit parang ganun pero I really have to do the things that needs to be done and kung ano yung gusto kong gawin na priorities ko which is yung studies ko. Pero I think let's start sa studies ko. Like before I've been anxious talaga. Like parang nangyayari talaga sa akin na, uy, yung ganitong, majors ko ngayon, mga majors. So basically, like parang I'm very anxious kasi pag nag-isa akong bagsak, mag-working student ako. And alam mo yun, like parang I don't want that to happen. Ayoko mangyari yun for myself. Pero parang pag nangyari sa akin yun, it would be a start of a new beginning and also a very stressful life. At the same time, a very experienced life na nag-working student ako. Kumbaga like parang nakakadismaya for me. Ay parang hindi hindi ko hindi ko siya kayang iyak for myself na kailangan pasado ko to. And what drives me to say this is parang nagiging complacent ako ngayon. Pero I just pray na lang na meron akong ganoon na disiplina na kailangan ko to gawin. Kailangan ko magbasa, kailangan ko mag-take down notes, kailangan ko mag-aral. Yun na yun eh. Kailangan ko mag-aral for the sake of not passing, but for sake of me trying to improve myself in my own learnings, in my own knowledge, in the academic context naman. Also, um, like, research naman, groupings na naman. So parang, in a way din na parang kailangan ko talagang higpitin pa yung sarili ko na self-talk. Kumbaga na, putang ina mo na, yun, kailangan kong mag-aral. Parang gano'n. And ayun, like, at the same time, like, parang sa physical aspect ko naman, ah, like, yung na-reflect ko lang as a person na, hanggang tingin na lang ba ako sa dati kong ako and not focusing on what's ahead of me na, yes, medyo pumayat ako from 90 kilos noong 2020 to 80 kilos, 78 kilos right now, pero obese. Kumbaga, my height doesn't match my weight. And it's sad to say na parang doon ko lang tinitingnan mindset ko na parang ganyan. Parang alam ko dapat kailangan ko mag-workout, alam ko kailangan ko mag-walking or jogging every fucking day like I did before. And hindi naman kasi ako nag-reflect for the past year na, uy, paano ako naging mapayat? Anong ginawa ko? 'Di ba? Parang ganun. Like still, like parang, doon ako parang naging doubt sa sarili ko na, ayun. And nangyari lang yung doubt na to kasi kahapon, nung Pasko, is may ini-inject yung mga tito-tita ko on paano pumayat. So, they have the money, they have the means to shortcut their way out. Pero ako naman, like parang, um, hindi ko matanggap sa sarili ko na change is hard talaga. Yeah, parang meron silang sariling pera. Kumbaga, like parang nagiging way nila yun kasi busy silang tao. Pero ako ka to eh. I'm young eh. So, I have the more advantage to them. And I'm just gonna think positively na when it comes to physical aspects, when it comes to this and that na kaya ko. Kaya kong pumayat. It's just that nako-compare ko lang yung sarili ko so nakikita ko talaga like parang iniisip ko, ginagawa ko ba to para sa babae or ginagawa ko ba to para sa sarili ko? Ayun. And ayun, in terms naman sa appearance ko, sabi mga tito ko, magman band daw ako, magganyan. Sige, try ko. Wala nang mawawala. Try ko siya for next year. Ganun yung style ng buhok ko. And at the same time na parang, ayun na, this is my first time kasi na mahaba buhok ko. So parang, nakita ko na parang, okay naman siya. It's just that, wavy lang talaga ako. Hindi na ako papagupit for about hanggang March. So nga hindi mag-shave din eh. Alam mo yun, parang ganyan. So yun, at the same time na parang nakita ko rin na in terms naman din sa habits ko, ang dami kong habits sa notebook ko and journaling, hindi ko siya matuloy-tuloy or kaya parang hindi ako naging consistent. Parang yung trigger points ko is, yung naging trigger sa akin, pag alam ko na yung dapat kong gawin, nagjajakol ako, na-stress ako, parang my mind has the state of flight and fight response na should I fight this or should I just lay down or kaya maglaro or kaya magjakol. Parang I have to really shift that kind of feeling into something productive instead of, parang ganyan. And nasabi ko na to it's all in the it's the fucking phone. It's really the fucking phone talaga na ganyan ganyan. Ayun yung sa akin. So sa tingin ko kasi na parang nakikita ko na yun na nga eh. And also about my mental health, like it's been bumalik ako nung isang Friday nung December 21. Oh yeah, December 21 is I went to the psychiatry session again with the doctor. Ganun pa rin. Sobrang she just reality checks me at the same time na pinapa-personality test niya ako to have this sense of foundation talaga kung bakit ako ganito, bakit ganyan. Pero sabi niya, it takes a lot of resources and time, kumbaga. And parang I really have to put the work again talaga na dapat gusto ko na mag-work. Ayun. And gusto ko na, yun lang yung sa akin. And about I think my mental health is really connected to my mind and body. And I've been really connecting or kaya parang nagiging reels ako or parang ganyan. But still, like, parang nagiging, yun na yun. Yun na yun sa akin, about that. And about din naman sa finances. Oh, damn. Grabe. Like, meron na akong plan. Like, parang, 20 dito, tapos, tawag dito, 20 pesos savings, tapos doon ako sa needs and wants, 5 pesos each per day. Yun nga, hindi ko nga nagagawa or parang ganyan, like parang, nandun ako sa point na, ayun, na I have a problem with money. I don't create a system, a structure towards money. And I let the money rule me, not me na maging boss ng sa aking pera. Kasi pera ko yun eh. Ito yung what if moment ko. Meron na sana ako 9,000 pesos this year kung hindi ko nagastos lahat ever since that year. Since January. Ang dami nangyaring pera, ang dami pumapasok sa akin na pera. Pero binabaliwala ko lang, pinapagkain ko lang. Or, I mean like, yung hindi healthy, yung pangpagkain ko, kumbaga. Ayun yung sa akin. Pero yung nga sabi ni Kuya Da, yung kuya-kuyahan ko, yung tinutulungan ako sa life is, wag mong ibaliwala yung grasya kasi pagkain yan. So yun. So parang that's me. Ayun, like alam mo yun, like parang nagiging sanay ko na siya na parang okay, ganito ako, parang ganyan. Ang dami ko naging once. And I mean, once. Gusto ko ganyan, gusto ko necklace, ganyan, ganyan. Pero parang when it comes to being contented sa life or sa meron ako, hindi ko siya tawag dito, like parang nandun ako sa point na kailangan ko to, nandun ako sa point na okay, dyan ka lang, delayed fucking gratification. Ulitin ko kasi may kotse, delayed gratification. Should I buy this? Should I buy that? Okay naman ako, pero parang alam mo yun, like parang nandun ako sa point na wala na akong pwedeng magawa pa or kaya wala na akong yung mindset ko lang magtipid ka na, Jin. Dapat ganun yung mindset mo pala na magtipid ka na, Jin, magtipid ka. Find options, find ways to tipid. Pero yeah, now that I think of it, now that I reflect on it right now, na parang I'm making my money my idol. And alam mo yun, like parang yung sa Bible verse nga, the love of money is the root of all evil. But then again, like parang, ah, yeah, parang, yun, like, pero I met some people walang pera, nagkaroon ng pera, ng sobrang daming 100,000s, pero circumstances eh. Case to case basis siya na, wow, wala, parang, ganito pala yun, na parang, pag walang pera, or kaya pag mayroong pera, kasi, binibigay lang sa akin lahat. Pero I think, lastly na, guys, na sobrang, dami pala dito sa spot ko sa may highway na dumadaan, kaya, yun, na, I just want to be learn to be grateful at the same time na talagang hindi lahat ng tao learning to be grateful is the way to cope up with the things that we have. At the same time, we allow ourselves to really step back. Kumbaga, step back and see na, shit, may ganito pala ako. So, paano ko na to gagawing way to make myself useful, productive, and to help others. Kasi, always remember this, guys. You can't give what you don't have. And it really sucks. Kasi, I'm a giver eh. Parang, yun yung naging condition ko. I'm the one who likes to receive things. Ang hirap sa akin to give back to someone who, who, who in my mind, who in my fucking selfish mind, wants something in return to them. Like pera, food, and shit. And, ang, ganun ba yun? Like, am I a bad person to be selfish? Am I a, parang ganun, like, ayun, parang sabi ko nga nung kahapon sa Pasko, Tito, oy, hello Tito, may nakita ako, ang ganda nito, akin na lang. So parang sabi niya, no. So ang kapal na mukha ko, in a bad way na, 'di ba? Parang sinasabi nga ng mami ko na, ayan, na, sinasabi nga ng mami ko na, tingnan mo pag nagtrabaho ikaw mahirapan. Kaya umayos attitude mo, okay? Parang ganyan. Kaya yun, dun lang ako napaisip na, grabe na parang, ganito pala yun, na, iba pala yun na parang nagiging ganyan na ganyan ako. Sa akin lang naman kasi is, um, pero I think, yung ganyan na yung galing sa ganito, galing sa ganyan, na nare-reflect ko lang, I'm a blamer. I blame a lot of people. I blame my dad for being like this. I blame for minsan my mom. My mom can be the most caring, loving person in the whole fucking world. Pero natatakot ako pag nawala siya. My dad can be the person na, ganoon na siya as a person. Yung tono ng boses niya, pag nagalit siya. I can fucking say, guys, that this is a fact. Totoo to. Akin to. I'm the same like my dad. Man-child. Walang plano sa buhay. Legit, wala akong plano sa buhay. I just let the past win. Magaling magsalita. Magaling magsalita. Ang sakit lang. Ang sakit sabihin ngayon, isipin ngayon. Pero then again, psych major ako. I have to really say, totoo ba to? Ako ba siya? Ako ba yung circumstance ko? Ako ba yung problem ko? Objective. I've been emotional, subjective, walang plano, always impulsive, passive-aggressive, neutral lang sa nangyayari, pero aggressive mag-decide na ganito ako, gusto ko to, wants ko to, gagawin ko to. Ayun. And nakikita ko lang na I really need to change pero one step at a time. Slow down. Slow down, Najin. Slow down. Ay, ayun lang naman yung sa akin. And I hope Najin, before the year ends or every fucking day, change for the better. Again, my name is Najin. Tapos na ako, guys. 23 years old, pero bata pa rin. E- Estudyante, pero dapat graduate na. Anak, pero matigas ang ulo. Kaibigan, as a friend, pero I want what they have, social groups, or kaya yung nakita ko mga tropa-tropahan. And if I'm going to continue like this, I'm never going to change. And that's the truth. But hey, that's life, di ba? Di lahat ng tao na figure out yung plano nila sa buhay. Pero still, buhay tayo. And sana, maging okay ka. Kaya mo yan. And be kind, yet be daring for yourself and for others. Again, my name is Najin. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year and see you soon next year, self. Kaya natin to.